Understanding file. File extensions indicate the type of file and determine which programs can open it. The text extension signifies a plain text file. Recognizing timestamps in file metadata. The timestamp 2 John 13/17 to 23/25/2026 shows the last modified date and time of the file. This information helps in managing and organizing files. Introduction to PDF. Files. Hello. PDF suggests. The content may involve a PDF file. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, used for presenting documents. Basic file operations. Common operations on files include opening, editing, saving, and deleting. Understanding. These operations is essential for file management. The role of file names. It's important to choose clear and descriptive names for ease of access.